Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make oats biscuits without an oven. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of rolled oats, half a cup of all-purpose flour, and 1/4 cup of sugar. Don't forget 2 tablespoons of softened butter and 3 tablespoons of milk. Make sure you have a good non-stick pan or a heavy-bottomed skillet ready for the cooking process. This simple recipe is perfect for a quick treat. Now let's get mixing. In a large bowl, combine your rolled oats, flour, and sugar. Give them a good stir to ensure they are well mixed. Next, add the softened butter. Use your fingertips to rub the butter into the dry ingredients until the mixture resembles coarse crumbs. Finally, gradually add the milk, 1 tablespoon at a time, kneading until a firm, pliable dough forms. This dough should be easy to handle. With your dough ready, it's time to shape the biscuits. Divide the dough into 8 to 10 equal portions. Roll each portion into a ball, then gently flatten it into a disc, about 1/4 inch thick. Heat your nonstick pan or skillet over low to medium heat. Place the biscuits in the pan, ensuring they are not overcrowded. Cook each side for 3 to 4 minutes, or until they turn a beautiful golden brown. Patience is key for perfect texture. Once your biscuits are golden and cooked through, carefully transfer them to a wire rack. It's important to let them cool completely. This step allows them to firm up and develop their delicious, crisp texture. Enjoy your homemade, oven-free oats biscuits with your favorite hot beverage. Also, if you're looking for ways to improve your financial well-being, check out the description below for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals. Happy baking and smart saving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.